find my keys.
Come on, what are you gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.
Good morning, Nova.
What's good about it? Someone was checking their phone during my dancing.
I'd hoped you'd forgotten.
They should be paying attention to my show all the time.
Prepare for a moonquake!
No moonquakes! No moonquakes! All this needs is a smart, fast decision.
Okay, we want eyes on Nova's show all the time.
That means movement, colour. Nova, that's it! You need backing dancers.
But the last time Nova had backup dancers...
I know. She got annoyed at them talking and made us leave them on the biscuit moon.
Well, at least they'd plenty to eat.
But, what about hologram dancers? I saw them on Music Mechanicals.moon.
Holograms that you can program to dance however you want.
Turn onable, turn offable. And totally impossible to argue with. Even for you.
Reaction time. That took a while.
No, wait. I've just had a better idea. You're just going to say my hologram idea, aren't you?
No, I've just had the bestest original thought.
About holograms.
A spectacular idea that I just had.
Yep.
I need backing dancers, right? So, what if they were holograms?
Nova Jones, where do you get your ideas from?
Hologram machine light speed shipping.
What is going on?
Oh, Chef Din Dins is having another tantrum. He hasn't done this for weeks.
Okay. Staff member has the cramps. Countdown begins. Good managers make quick decisions. So... There we go. Someone must have turned the music off by mistake. Nova's songs are the perfect cure for the baby grumps.
Reaction time. Quite good.
There we go. Hologram projector? Nova's dancers are here.
You must be the brains of the outfit. You know what they say about brains? If you're two of them, you'd have nowhere to keep it. Right, so let's get this hooked up for you then, shall we? Or did you want to stand round here like a grapefruit? Like that one, did you? Yeah, we're gonna get on.
That one's too tall.
They're literally identical.
Those two are too short. That one's okay.
Which one?
That one. Dolograms.
I just made that up.
I can't promise dancing for me will be easy. I can't promise it'll be fun. But I can promise that it'll be easy and fun for me. Are you with me? I said, are you with me?
They can't move. They're not activated yet. They're on standby.
Standby.
Yes, they're standing by the room with the hologram machine in it, waiting to be activated and set up. Right, Sid?
You dead on, McLaren.
And then he says, right, are you not going to put that in the kitchen? And I says, all right, are you going to connect the water? Or am I?
Now, obviously. Do you want those new dresses now or later? Now, please.
Right. But now you need to invent the dance moves to teach the holograms.
Oh, of course. We need dance moves, McLaren. Thank goodness I thought of that idea just then. What is it you even do?
Reaction time. Manager cheated by delaying the problem.
So then I says, right, that's not even the right cable. And then the client says, oh, hang on, that's my phone. Hello? Yeah, will do. Sorry about this emergency job in the Waggleverse. And well, you know, the Waggleverse. That's them. Look, I've got to run. Here's the instructions, and the required tools are all in the bags. The electrics are hooked up and the holograms are on standby. Snap on, snap off. You okay? Finish the rest up yourself, yeah? Any problems, call the helpline. Cheery bye!
A 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. You're not getting this at all. It's like you don't know your left from right. Everyone, left foot forward. No! You're all fired. Be gone and never darken my ship again.
You're unfired. You can still darken the ship. I just mean work here.
Reaction time. Good.
When are my dancers going to be ready, McLaren? I'm still working it out, but the best bit is here, when the dancers spell out my name with their bodies. N-O... B...
A. Perfect. Wonderful. They'll be ready to go before long.
That'll show Mr. Phone Looker. Looking at his phone like a phone looker.